Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I teach you this chapter classification of elements and periodicity of properties. आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस लेके आई हूँ जो कि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं इस चैप्टर के. सो आप लोग बस लॉन्ग आंसर इतने ही प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए, आपके चैप्टर क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट एंड पीरियोडिसिटी ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ओके, तो ये हमारे पास कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं लॉन्ग में, वो भी देख लीजिए. What is modern periodic law? How is it different from Mendeleev periodic law? Explain with example. Okay, so this is a most important question. Now question number second. Some elements of Mendeleev periodic table and placed in subgroup B formed by division of original group. Explain the reason for placing them in separating subgroup B. So this is second long question. Now third, classify the element in periodic table on the basis of their electronic configuration. So this is long answer, long question. Now question number fourth, what is the modern periodic law? Okay, now आप लोग देखिए, फर्स्ट में भी यही पूछा गया था एंड फोर्थ में भी यही पूछा जा रहा है. Describe silent feature of long form of periodic table. This is most important question. Now question number 5. How many group or subgroup are there in long form of periodic table? Mention and 4 important feature of this table. Now question number 6. What are short and long period? How many short and long period are there in periodic table? Now question number 7. The element of which period are called typical elements, give their names. Okay. Now question number 8. What do you understand by SP and D block elements? Give an example of each. Now question number 9. Write down the electronic configuration of element of atomic number 20, 24, 31, 35, 36 and 37. आपको इन सबके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पहले निकालने हैं. फिर assign the group of their elements in periodic table on the basis of electronic configuration. Okay. Now question number 10. Justify the position of alkali metal in periodic table on the basis of their electronic configuration. Now question number 11. What is modern periodic table? देखिए फिर से ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, फर्स्ट में पूछा गया था, फोर्थ में भी पूछा गया था, फिर से पूछा गया है. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. What is modern periodic law? Write main character of D block and transition metal. D block को हम लोग ट्रांजिशन भी कहते हैं. ओके. Now question number 12. Write important character of P block elements of long form of periodic table. So this is most important. 11 and 12. This is most important question. Okay. Now question number 13. Write 4 character property of S block element. Now question number 14. Describe the periodicity of electronegativity in a period and group. Okay. Now question number 15. Write the factor which affected ionization energy. Now question number 16. In a group, ionization energy decrease and atomic number increase. Explain. Okay, इसको explain करना है क्यों increase होता है. Now question number 17. What is electron affinity? Arrange the halogen in an increasing order of their electron affinities. Which is the elements that has highest electron affinity? Okay. Discuss the variation of electron affinity in any group of periodic table. Okay. Now question number 18. On moving from left to right, how does electron affinity vary? Explain with reason. Okay. Now question number 19. Define electroaffinity, shear and higher electron affinity than F. Explain. Now question number 20. What do you understand by ionization energy of an electron? How does it vary across period? Okay. Now question number 21. Write the factor affinity ionization potential. Okay. Now question number 22. In a group as atomic number increasing, electronegativity decreasing. On other hand, in period it is increasing as atomic number increasing. Explain this reason. Okay. Now question number 20. 3. What is the relation between the electronic configuration of elements and their place in the periodic table? Now question number 24. In the periodic table, how do the following properties vary across a period in a group? Number A, valence, and number B, electron affinity. Now question number 25. Write 4 important characters of long form of periodic table. Now question number 26. What is ionization energy? How does it vary along period and group in the periodic table? So this is a 1 to 26 long answer type question of this chapter. So please complete it fast. And now take care. Bye bye. See you. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. आप लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए जिससे मैं भी कोई भी वीडियो अपलोड करूँ सबसे पहले आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आए. ओके.